What's up, everyone? This is the automatic water dispenser for your jug. This thing does a great job at siphoning water out of your jugs. It's great for travel, taking with you on the go, also great for home use. So this water dispenser is really well made, has a nice little spout here. The power button is on the top. Also comes with this attachment that you're gonna put over top of your water bottle, and you can actually plug this up when not in use and keep that water from spilling out of your jug. But for right now, we're gonna pop this out. This fits right on the bottom of this dispenser, just like that. And you're gonna put this right over top of your jug, and it fits nice and snug on there. So then after you put this on, you're gonna take the tubing that it comes with. It's gonna actually siphon the water out of your jug, and you're gonna put it on that white little spot there. And then all you're gonna do is push this right down into your jug, push this nice and secure on there, and then when you're ready, you can just hold down the power button, and it's gonna automatically dispense the water for you. So this automatic water dispenser is really convenient. It's really easy to use. When you do need to charge it up, it comes with a charging cable, and you simply plug it in the back right there, charge it up for a few hours, and then you're good to go. So I love using this, especially on trips. We'll take a jug of water with us on the go. This is really nice and convenient to use to get that water out. My kids also love playing with this, and they're outside and water play. We'll fill up a jug of water for them, and then they can easily dispense it out with this. So if you're looking for a high quality automatic water dispenser, this one right here is a great option. Thanks for watching.